In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manually resize images in HubSpot content step by step. If you've ever uploaded an image to HubSpot and realized it's too large, too small, or just not the right dimensions for your website, landing page, or email, this tutorial will walk you through the simple built-in method to resize it properly without needing any external design tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how to clone, resize, and save a perfectly optimized version of your image directly inside HubSpot. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your main home screen. From the top navigation menu, locate and click on Files. This will open up HubSpot's File Manager, where all of your uploaded images, documents, and media are stored. The Files tool is where you'll manage and edit any image you've already uploaded to your HubSpot portal. Once you're inside the Files area, browse through your library and click on the image that you want to resize. This will open the File Details panel, where you can see a preview of the image along with options for editing and managing the file. Now, here's an important tip. Instead of directly modifying the original image, HubSpot allows you to create a resized copy. This helps preserve your original file in case you ever need it again. To do this, click on Clone and Edit. This option creates a duplicate version of your image, so you can safely make changes without affecting the original asset. After clicking Clone and Edit, you'll see several editing options available. From here, click on Resize. This is the tool that allows you to manually adjust the dimensions of your image. Next, you'll need to enter the specific dimensions you want for your resized image. You can manually type in the width and height in pixels. For example, if you need a banner image for a landing page, you might enter something like 1200 pixels by 628 pixels. If you're resizing an image for a blog post, you might choose 800 pixels wide and adjust the height proportionally. Make sure the dimensions match the design requirements of where the image will be used. As you enter your dimensions, pay attention to whether the aspect ratio is locked. Keeping the aspect ratio locked ensures that your image doesn't become stretched or distorted. If you unlock it, you can manually control both width and height independently, but be careful because this can affect image proportions. Once you've entered your desired dimensions and you're satisfied with how the preview looks, click on Save New Image. HubSpot will then generate a resized version of your original file and add it to your file manager as a separate image. This new file can now be used in your website pages, landing pages, blog posts, or emails without affecting the original image. That's it. You've successfully manually resized an image directly inside HubSpot without needing Photoshop or any third-party editing tools. This method is especially useful for keeping your website optimized, improving page load speeds, and ensuring your visuals fit perfectly within your layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. I post easy, practical tutorials designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.